So, Shavi FS Hub. Yesterday, I posted my perspective on BTC US BT, and it actually went through, but we had a very strong fundamental analysis today, which BTC reacted to information. And not just that, by by 2100, BTC started reversing. It started reversing based on the structure of the market. And if you look critically and ask yourself, where do we have a major break and retest? Where we had a major break and retest was exactly the same place price came and reacted. And this is the place where you have your break and retest. So what this means is that this structure has fulfilled its analysis. I predicted 102,285 for a bearish drop, and it will continue to drop. So don't bother try to sell anywhere around here. You know, don't bother try to sell anywhere around here. So let's change the chart and get something new. And I think from there we're gonna pick it up. So it is what it is. So always take profits. Always take profits. Always take profits. The market is not guaranteed. The market is dynamic. The slightest rejection area you see is when the next price up. The smallest among them. So this is how the market is wired. The smallest among them is going to create a reversal price action. The smallest. You look at it and say, oh, this is a small resistance, this is a small support. It doesn't work that way. It's going from there it start reversing. So we look at it and we are 3 hours, I wish I was in 4 hours. That's what the market is all about. I don't like this. So the market is well structured. As we got our floor, we predict the roof. If you predict the roof, you predict the floor. So this is how every pair, stocks, commodities, whatever, everything is well structured. The market makers already know where they want to sell and they know where they want to buy. It's demand and supply. So they know where they think is okay for them to bring in liquidity. There is nothing anybody can do about it. So BTC will continue to fall. Then we'll look at it and see if we can capture two buy positions. So number one buy position is going to be this let it break a structure at this area. So we have a break of structure at this level. And this market is overbought. So any moment it can drop. It can drop at any moment. And if you are surprised to see price drop at this level, then technically you are not a good trader. This is a very strong price action. From this level, from here, from this place to this place, areas of rejection. So if price came here and reacted, so be it. And when you look at the structure again, you will find out that we had a first bearish drop. Let's track it and see. We have a first bearish drop after break of structure from a bullish ascending channel. Then we have another break of structure. So what we want to do is to see how then we're going to find a roof of that bearish drops, and it will coincide, most likely will coincide with this current price action. Let's get this thing up so it makes a whole lot of sense to us. This is what it is. This is what the market reacted to. So at the moment, the worst it can do is to come back here to complete this channel. So now it's likely coming back as a channel to complete this one, I mean the floor. So this is what you see, but this is not what I want to see. That's such bearish drop. You need more. You need more than that. Such a bearish drop. You need more than that. So we have a clean price action at this level, which I I think on this break and wait test, price might want to play on this wait test. Price might want to play on it. So if price want to play on it, the chart pattern is born. So most likely we are going to see something. Now you can see the structure, break of structure, one successful retest. This becomes the demand floor, while this is the supply because of the presence of that heavy bearish drop. So it becomes an important price action in establishing a roof for a descending trend line. Such a bearish drop is worth it. So we have to make a trend line out of that. That's a really bearish drop. It's not going to stop there. It's going to continue falling. Don't try to say you want to enter now and buy. Allow this thing to come down to this place. Allow this market to continue to fall. Even if it doesn't fall now, just allow it. Don't touch it. Such a bearish drop is an institutional sell-off. Okay, it's an institutional sell-off, and they really target a lot of people very well. They target a lot of people very well. Some people that trade this Bitcoin thing, they want to go into 120, 130. They are not following the structure of the market. The market defined itself and also gave you a signal of what it's going to do to you before. These guys always give sign because they are institutional traders, and they don't do this thing alone. They do it as a gang of these are gang of traders, gang of small traders. They have so much money. But before they do anything, they signal others. They send a signal. This is for what we want. Are you ready? Are you ready? They say, yes, we are ready. Okay, let's drop it by 4,000 people. Let's drop it by 5,000 people. These retail traders are playing. They think we want to take them to 110,000. Come on, I'm taking the money. So all this buy idea has been taken off. It is what it is. Let's see. The moment is very dangerous to try to. We have a break of structure at this level. So let's see. We are just all these things are with this bearish drop. I can tell you all these things might really not matter. All these things might really not matter. So I think the falling knife will continue. And we have series of fundamental analysis coming up for the week. We have non-farm employment change. That's a strong economic data. So what I see here is that there is a probability that market will come and react to retest a broken supply roof. So a retest of that broken supply roof will coincide with the demand floor of this 3 hours bullish channel. Of course, the channel has defined itself: support, break of support, retest, retest, retest. So this is the floor. When we cloned it, place our clone and you bring it exactly here, the market is coming to this level. It's coming to this level for reaction. So when it comes here, it might show a considerable price action that level. And when we look at it, we also have another structure. So also showing that there is a likelihood that market will react at this level. There's a likelihood. There's a very there's a very big opportunity that you might catch some few pips. Look at the structure again. I found another structure which we have here supply roof, demand, break of demand, supply, break of supply, retest, break of demand, retest, retest, break of supply. Here becomes the new supply roof. So coinciding, but BTC and the liquidity move, they don't buy without liquidity and they don't sell without liquidity. So in the course of grabbing liquidity, these areas is going to expose your account balance. It's going to expose you to danger. It's going to make you, there's a very high probability that it will take it away. But we are having a confluence on this floor. There's a confluence at this level. We have three trends pointing at this level. We have three trends pointing at this level. We have this structure, break of structure, break of structure, retest, retest, and most likely by tomorrow you will see a continuous bearish structure that will come to this level for the potential reaction. So it's not uh, it's not guaranteed, but I feel the price will come to this level at below 80k. Look for an opportunity to get back on track. Then we'll have the final in this bullish rally. Our first rejection is also a litmus test, an area to watch in this bullish track. The first retracement where price found support for this level. So there's a probability that price might come back to this level. There's a very high probability that buyers might come down to respect the structure. But based on our experience, the break of structure we're interested in will be this one, where we look out for. But I see that there will be liquidity, there will be liquidity hunt for BTC to move again. Look at this bearish candle, this liquidity hunt. So market will do it again if buyers, if BTC boys, if people want buyers to resume, they will have to rob some people. This game is rob it and pay for it. That is what this game is all about. I'm going to start a podcast to expose the dark secret of the forex market. I know it's rob it and pay for it, especially for some of you into crypto. You cannot really tell fundamentally what will happen next. So that is what makes it more dangerous, more volatile. But it's rewarding and life changing if you understand the strategy. The strategy is based on taking profit. Learn to take profit and learn to stay away. When you take your profit, you go away. If you remain there, the broker will take it back. You see, this price action today that happened is a major drawdown for a lot of people. It drew many accounts down. This price action. It really damaged a lot of people's accounts. You know, because a lot of people are going long and they fail to put stop loss. They felt it's going to hang on and here's another price action to get into 120. The way we analyze market at Sharpie FSR is structure by structure. We don't just assume. Yes, even if most assumptions happen, but majority of the times market dynamics start to change due to fundamental analysis. So once you start seeing strong fundamental analysis, then you start seeing some changes and start seeing series of disrespect in your setup. That shows you that market dynamics has changed. So for now, you see that roof. After we clone our floor, we got our roof and laid out perfectly. So what we see that will happen here is that don't be quick to get back into buying this thing. There is still a bearish pressure. As price has rejected this level, a lot of institutions have lost position. So out of anger, fear of unknown, a lot of people in a sell position. So institutional drive that will restore price in, into its bullish part will require more than today drop to activate the bullish impulse. So I continue to see that this floor has to be updated. We have updated the roof one, two, three. The floor only once. So on the floor, we expect that price will continue until it comes to this floor. In fact, in a more volatile case, we want price to return to this place around 77K, 77, 78K. At this level, we have strong confidence at this level. Two breaker structure, a horizontal demand flow, and another breaker structure at this level. So they are both very witness that 85K, 84K is likely. But if we are going by the new structure, by the new chart pattern we have here roof, we have here floor. Let's change the color to black. If price want to update the floor of this very price action, updating the floor means that price will continue to sell till it comes to this level, which is 70% likely. Price can continue, break this structure, come down here before your next before your next buy. And at this level, we have a demand floor here at 78.823. That's another level to look out for buy opportunity. Why are you looking for buy at that place? That area is a break of structure and it's also an area that initiated by. So it tells you a story. So you must maintain the story of that structure and the story of that level. Then all we are looking for is confidence. We will have one or two confidence to back it up. So if we have more than one confidence, like two, that's okay. So we begin to see that you need to be very careful. Now you see price has updated a structure. Let's abide by this black structure, two descending trend line. These two descending trend line might constitute new price movements. I know a lot of people will not believe this, but it is what it is. So you see price has updated one, two, three, four, five, five structures. Now we have here the roof, two supply roof rejection points, and at the bottom making a descending trend line, and also a breakout. It's a breakout. A breakout from a supply roof becomes a demand floor. So for this market to buy again, it is very, very possible that it will continue to fall until it comes to this price, around 78K, 77, for you to see a potential opportunity. So when that happens, then the new structure will be like this. That is what the market has done. This is the structure you should explore. So right now, look for sell opportunity. And for those who are using indicator, go check your MACD. Your MACD is showing overbought. If you check your MACD on daily, showing overbought. So most likely the market will want to correct. And if the market wants to correct, it's going to shade out over 20,000 out of it. There's a very high probability. So the market at 78K makes a whole lot of sense for buyers to come back here. But while we are saying this, we also need to factor that there are certain things happening which we are not aware of. So if price decides to make adjustments, there is also a probability that it might make adjustments at this level. This is an important price action. so which also bears witness to this price action at this level. If that happens,